All right, welcome to the store.
What's going?
What's going on, guys?
Whole lot of motion.
Stuff for the fam for July 4th.
Yeah. Right around the corner.
Right around the corner. Stuff to go boom.
Yeah. What'd you get today?
I got here a pack. Casey's made a pack here. Got some balls, some shots. I forgot, just called a reamer or a ringer or something like that.
Repeater.
Repeater. Call it a repeater. Yeah, so.
Right now I got the 608. Got 680 shots. Yeah, man. I'm planning on getting something else too.
Yeah. How'd you guys find us? Just search fireworks near me?
Yeah.
Fireworks. I've actually been doing this for my family for a while now, but I always used to come by here.
Yeah.
So,
What else you looking for today?
Something that go boom. Yeah.